I wanted to do a quick video on how to clean the circuit board before you start soldering. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on this board, obviously I don't know if you can see on this board all the mess that we got around here. So what we're going to do is use IPA with a nice brush, and we're just going to work the IPA into the circuit board and just clean it all up. So I'm going to clean the first chip side up. So just apply a bit more IPA on that. So you don't need to be afraid, you could put some pressure on it, it's not going to fall apart. And just work it into the unit. Okay, so once that has been applied, what you could do is get a lint-free cloth and then just wipe it around, so you get rid of all the IPA that you've just put on. So that's all nice and clean now. That's all ready for soldering now. So you can see the difference. So on this side where we cleaned, it's all nice and clean now. But if you look above, can you see all that? It's all messy still. So that's the sort of finish you want when you start soldering. And then you can apply obviously the soldering flux and everything like that you need to apply to solder. There you go. So I wanted to also mention, this board doesn't have it, but some boards have a sort of a lacquer on it. It's conformal coating, so basically it's to protect the boards, from weather and stuff like that. Now that won't come off with alcohol. So if you just use normal alcohol, the lacquer is not going to come off. It's not hard enough. So what we do in the company, we use this conformal coating stripper gel. You could buy this in good stores, electric stores, and you just apply this onto the board. The brush has come off, but there's a little brush in there. You just apply that onto the lacquer. You leave it for about 10 minutes, and what that does is it removes all the lacquer. You can see it's like a paint stripper. It just comes off, and then obviously once that comes off, you need to then apply the alcohol method and just clean the board up so it's nice and clean like this one, and then you're ready to solder. So there you go. Now you've seen how to clean the board, you should be able to do any soldering in a good way that you do in the future. Also, I wanted to mention, we are thinking of doing a soldering course, so if that's of interest to you, just put in your comments. We're just trying to work out how many people would get involved in it. And if you like videos like this, as always, like and subscribe.